Walk one again, Unstoppable family. So first of all, people, me apologize for the appearance. Cause I don't know, say another regular look this. But the work must go on even though we're not in a studio right now. But people will see a whole heap of things are going on at Jamaica. Whole heap of robbery, whole heap of killing, whole heap of bikers are ride up on people and I take them things. Banker get robbed. All of these things where we see are go on. And people across the world I get upset. I get angry about it. You understand? What is going to happen? What is going to be done? What is the plan? Right? Now, a brother link me and him say Unstoppable, more you put out the video here for me because more the world for hear me thoughts, more the heads of government for hear me thoughts because this thing here upset me, right? I'm gonna say alright, after me list the man reasoning, I'm say alright, you know what, we don't need to hear him for real. So I'm gonna play it right now, me gonna get a listening ear of what the brother say and then me forward back, see?
Jamaica, what go on? What really happened, man? What going on out there? What all of them unnecessary killing and robbery for? How this gonna fix no problem we are going in at the island? And that I want to know. You tell me say a man can't go out in and own a yard anymore, go water and plants them without have to worry, say a man gonna come and rob him. Me see how much videos are show with all the CCTV footage them where a man are going in him yard and a man drive up in him yard and grab off him bag and jump on bike and ride off. Miss them look at youth up and they look at young bike them a park up in a community and lay with old people for rob people. Like what really are going out there, so? And then Mrs. PNP are run down and a call for election. Now you call for election or your country right now, your country are transforming a Haiti. Jamaica transforming slowly transforming a Haiti. The crime rate of Jamaica, me never see them something happen yet. And I know a whole heap of people are gonna disagree, but yo, if Dudus is still there, Jamaica, half of them crime I would not go on. Yeah, me say it. Yeah, if Dudus is still there, Jamaica, half of them something I would not go on. Yeah, I'm going to them foolishness, but him still there keep a certain order in the country. You see me? And apart from that, Mr. Holness, I think you really need to make a decision and get some help from overseas because it is obvious that our military forces in Jamaica are not capable enough to fight against these gunmen. You see me? And I need to get some entities from overseas to come in, come help and clean the island. I want to catch a gunman. If you don't catch a gunman and people who are on Black Road and go on in foolish about a good youth, lock up their ass. You see me? Too long now, people get killed and then you have other people protecting murderer them and hide the killer them. Them look a young girl we talk about, they love bad man, they love this, them love that. The whole of them rats to go to jail because it go too far now, man. You see me? Mikey was a good youth. I know Mikey but that Jamaica. Mikey a good youth. But them man don't make trouble with nobody. Them man they will help people if you ask him for help. You see me, he's a very generous brother, so when you go out and go in a man, you go kill a man. For what? For one phone? For a phone? Where I try to tell me say a person's life in a Jamaica not worth a cell phone? You see me? When I go in on a little bike, them man go in a communities and rob people in them yard. For what? For a couple dollars? And then you have to stay in a hiding for the rest of their life. What is the sense of that? We go post up on internet with a show so I have gun and this and that. What sense that make gonna destroy the reputation of that island, man? You see me, if the crime rate go down, this is what I tell Jamaicans on the scene for understand. If the crime rate drop, and think COVID-19 take a tourism from the gunman them are gonna kill tourism in Jamaica. Because if a country is not safe, which country gonna want to send them people go to Jamaica and them knows them people at risk? Nobody now gonna do it. Haiti have no form of tourism and it's all because of the poverty and the crime rate down there. And Jamaica is coming close to Haiti. And this is no one for the island, man. All of them bloggers that we are go there as a post up and mix up and a drama and them something and they need to come together, man. Everybody need to come together and cry for peace in the island, man. Them gunmen and somebody need to do something about them gunmen, man. It go too far now, man. You have people overseas and they're free to go to Jamaica now. You go to Jamaica, you have to lock up in a hotel. You can't go up on road because man, they hunt you down and kill you. No, man, this thing need to stop now, man. This thing really need to stop now, man. You see me? It really need to stop. It go too far, man. You see me? I'm tired to cry over my island. You see me? No matter what I'm there in the world, I always going to be proud to be a Jamaican. But in them cases, man, I'm shame. You see me? I'm shame. I'm shame, man. You see me? We need to come together as one and stand up against them people. Because at the end of the day, them gunmen, they have people to hide them, The youth them rob Mikey and kill him, They right now then they somewhere hide, They have people that will know which part them there and hide them, You see them people, let me tell you something, man. If police catch all of them people who hide them, shoot them, man. No mercy. Because them basically put up with the slackness. You have some like a young girl and them same when I hide off a gun them for gunman. Me know that personally, enough of who know that too. Say have a little young girl about them love bad man and they love this and them love that, them love gunman. And them same when I hide off a gun them for youth them. And them same when I hide the youth them when police are come. You see me and them same when I jump in a road and about oh a good youth, him make you trouble. You don't know say man a rapist, you don't know say man a kidnapper, you don't know say man a murderer and still a defend the youth. When the youth are destroying the island. We don't worry about the economic system in Jamaica or the economic system for fix in Jamaica when the crime rate escalate. It's impossible to fix because the government have to put too much time and too much effort for try put together forces to catch the gunman them on a see them when I hide off the gunman them. Come on man. This I go too far now man. You see me, all of the artists them at Jamaica full time and all stop sing all of them gun song they will promote the violence now man and start sing some positive music, you know, to put a stop to this thing, you know. You see me? We need to make a change now man. We need to make a change. The COVID-19 supposed to be waking up and showing us say yo life is short. You see me, you can have it today and it gone tomorrow easy. Anybody and not even with the COVID, nobody not even care, nobody no response for nobody life. You have a virus out there where that destroy everybody. Baby, old woman, boy, girl, grandma, grandpa, everybody. Gunman, normal man. This thing I kill everybody and you try to tell me say, oh no can't just cut out the foolishness man. I couldn't go learn a trade. Got learn a trade man. Try use the internet to no advantage man. You see me and people and make videos off of the internet and I'm be rich off of it because they might use them brain, they might use them talent. You see me, why do not do that Jamaica is a trend-setting island. And this one not get. And instead I want to set a trend and I go around and I want to be with the bodies. The bodies are what? What badness I going to get to know? Badness not going to get to know more than 6 feet under. That's all it going to get to know, you know, 6 feet under. Enough every day, enough you're hiding and watching the head back. What is fun in that?
Unstoppable, I tell us a thing I hurt me, you know. Because bro, look into this my youth. You see influence where all of you guys as the bloggers them have, plus the influence of all of these artists. We see what going on in Jamaica right now, brother. The Jamaica, me tell you man, if you could have up on this side of the world and understand, brother, it's a matter of time before certain European countries put Jamaica upon a no-go list because of the crime rate. It is obvious, brother, because the media is putting out only the negativity from the island. All it put out are the kidnapping, the murder, the robbery. All of the videos them when them just put up the idea for show say armed gunmen got in our JN money market and rob it 3.8 million and basically they make it look like so they do it and get to it. There was no security personnel in the place, nothing. You see me? All of them stuff, brother, it shows that the island is out of control. The government cannot control the island. And yet still you have people down there complain about foolishness. Government a call for election. How the hell them cannot do them something and look what go on? The only way this is going to stop, you know, brother, if every single body with influence put a stop to it, you know. You see me? The artists them come together and do a song, a big song, and call for some peace and love. The people in the community, them make us stop hide them gun money. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you know, if tourism gone out of the island completely, what Jamaica gonna do? Jamaica can't even go borrow money from IMF because tourism is one of the main ways to pay back IMF. So rain if you are shut down now, that's one of the biggest revenue them for Jamaica and that are shut down. Then what go happen? Red Stripe go gone after that. Then the tourism industry go down because the hotel them have to go lock down because Jamaicans don't like spend money per hotel. You see me? When the economy get fucked because of all of them criminal in the street, what go happen next? What them going to do? Go block road and call upon the government, say the government fault? No. And not the government fault, brother. I feel it fault. The illiterate people out there go say, oh, yo, how the gun them reach ya? Listen to me, man. Me as street youth, and enough of them people as street youth to ask them questions to them. Don't know, say, man, until this day, man, still a trade gun with Haiti, with for the weed. Until this day, enough of them fishermen that them know how the gun them are reaching at the island. Because me down at Treasure Beach one day, brother, and we're going to do some diving, my youth, and we see a big gun you see under the water, the quickest me rush out of that in a big man. You see me? And the dump, the fisherman them dump off the gun in and they don't know say somebody else will come and grab up a gun them in a big man. So and I want to say government alone are the brother. We are the biggest problem in that island, my youth. We are the problem and this young generation them not understand because them all about the fast life. But how can you live a fast life where you cannot enjoy it? You rob a man today, especially you rob a man and kill a man, you're going to get catch eventually. Because when the money done, the same people them where you have with the idea, and them same one are going to inform for you because the money we used to bring in, it done. And if you're not going to carry any money, they're not going to help you. They're not going to protect you. So guess what? Them same one are going to sell you.
Anyone talk in peace. I want to say, when I agree or disagree. What more you do for me? Talk to me down in the comment section. If you agree with him, let me know you agree and why. If you disagree with him, let me know why you disagree as well in the comment section. More to hear your thoughts, your views and opinion panda one here. Alright, because I mean, everybody has been wondering for the longest, you know, what is the solution to crime? What can be done for the crime and violence we are going in Jamaica to stop? And me agree with him on certain points as well, as a matter of fact. As far as it go with tourism and all of them things there. Certain countries really start put Jamaica upon a blacklist if Jamaica not already there on a no-go list already. You understand what I say? Because when you really think about it, you know, when tourists come at Jamaica, the hotel them tell them, say, yo, don't leave the premises. And yeah, we understand, say, all of that is a money-making thing for the hotel too, because them want the people them stay right on the hotel grounds and spend the whole of money there. You understand? But at the end of the day, listen me, them a drive that fear there in the tourists when them forward too. You know, so me agree with him on certain points. But talk to me down below, people. Make me know. Me a go about my business right now. Go sort out what me have to sort out. And as a matter of fact, just like how my brethren send me that video here, if you have your points where you want to get out there to the public too, you don't know, say Unstoppable TV is the platform for do it. So the WhatsApp contact is down below. If you have a video where you want to go out, just shoot it to me by WhatsApp, and once me review it and it makes sense, we put it out. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.